everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to talk about wind down and exactly what does this feature do for your Samsung Galaxy devices and how does it help you wind down before bed. So first off, what you want to do is have your Samsung compatible device that has wind down and digital well-being. So in order to find that, you want to pull down the notifications panel, click on the settings icon, and as you scroll down, you're going to see this option here called digital well-being. Now inside of here, you can see your dashboard, notifications, you can see everything and what you're using, how many times you've unlocked your phone, how many notifications, letting you know, are you spending a lot of time on your phone during the day? But inside of here, there's this option here for wind down. Now I have mine set up as a schedule, which I also suggest for you to do, and just figure out a time frame that, works with your schedule and when you want to start winding down before bed. Now, I go to bed right around midnight or sometimes 1 a.m. So I'm setting mine up to start at 10 p.m. and then end at 7 a.m. when I'm getting up and getting the kids ready for school. Now, another thing you can also do is have it set up for grayscale and do not disturb within time of this time schedule. So with your turn on as scheduled setup for the time that you want it to start, 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. or whatever yours is, there's two options. You can either have it set up to where it turns on grayscale, which I have mine turned off because blue light filter already turns on. So it's a way to take away the blues from the screen so it's not suppressing the melatonin so I can go to bed. But this is the one that you probably want to turn on, which is do not disturb. Do not disturb is a way that it will kind of hide notifications and sounds and vibrations. You'll still see it pop up on the top, but you just won't hear it. And right here just kind of, let you know that it is turned on as a schedule, 10 p.m. to 7 a.m., Sunday through Saturday. But you want to turn on the exceptions. For sure, definitely your alarms and media, because maybe you watch a little bit of stuff before you go to bed and it helps you go to bed. You want to make sure you can hear your alarms. But it says right here, when do not disturb is on, sound and vibration will be muted, except for the items that you allow above. And also right over here too. So when it comes on to the calls, I set mine up for favorite contacts. So open up your contacts application and put a star next to your favorited contacts. So this way, if they do call you or also text you, then you can still get a little small vibration and notification sound. Same thing with repeat callers, because this one right here, if somebody calls you multiple times within a 15-minute time period, it's probably super important. It might not be one of your favorite contacts, but if somebody, maybe your best friend is calling you 5, 6, 7 times within this small time frame, it's obviously something important and they need help, possibly an emergency. So this way you have everything that is turned on as scheduled, 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. to help you wind down. So I hope that this video has helped you guys out. If it did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. You subscribe here on the very bottom left-hand side with this little circle. And if you liked this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video as well. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll.